Start with unplugging the headlight by pulling both the male and female connections straight away from each other. Use an 8mm hex wrench along with a crescent wrench to loosen and remove the bolt that secures the headlight bracket to the bike. Now use a 5mm hex wrench along with a crescent wrench to remove the bolt that holds the bracket to the headlight. Place one of the flat washers onto the bolt and set aside for later use. Place one of the 1/4 internal star lock washers on the inside of the mounting tab. Then slide the bracket in between both mounting tabs, making sure the lock washer stays relatively in place. Slide the bolt with the flat washer through the first part of the bracket. Now you can wedge the second internal star lock washer between the mounting tab and the bracket and continue to slide the bolt through. Apply the second flat washer onto the threaded side of the bolt. Place the nut with the flat side facing the tab onto the assembly and loosely tighten into place. Place the headlight assembly onto the fork and attach the bolt. Place the washer on the underside and then the nut, making sure that the flat side of the nut is placed facing up. Tighten using an 8mm hex wrench and a crescent wrench. After making sure that the headlight is resting on the bracket tab, make sure it is securely tightened. Tightening the assembly too much may cause a break in the mounting tabs.